Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In today's video, you will train your mouth to speak English, not just understand, not just read, but speak. Many people understand English. They watch movies, they listen to videos, they read books. But when it is time to speak, silence. Why? Because your brain understands English, but your mouth is not trained. Today, we will fix that. This video is not about grammar rules, it is about speaking practice. Remember, fluency is not knowledge. Fluency is muscle memory. And today we start training. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and repeat after me. Chapter 1. Why you can't speak. Let me ask you a question. Do you understand English but cannot speak fluently? If yes, you are not alone. Millions of people have the same problem. They think, I need more grammar. I need more vocabulary. I need more rules. No, you need practice. Think about driving. You can read a book about driving. You can watch videos about driving. You can understand traffic rules, but if you never drive a car, will you become a good driver? No. Speaking English is the same. You must move your mouth. Your tongue needs practice. Your lips need practice. Your voice needs practice. Speaking is physical. It is not only mental. Say this with me. Speaking English is a skill. Again, speaking English is a skill. Skills improve with practice, not with thinking. Chapter 2. Train your mouth. Now we start real training. Repeat after me slowly. I can speak English. Pause the video. Say it again. I can speak English. Good. Now say, I am improving every day. Again. I am improving every day. Very good. Now a short paragraph. Listen first, then repeat. I wake up early every morning. I drink a glass of water. Then I start my day with positive energy. Now you. Pause, repeat. Do not rush. Move your mouth clearly. Excellent. Now faster. I wake up early every morning. I drink a glass of water. Then I start my day with positive energy. Good. This is training. At first it feels strange. Your mouth feels slow. Your pronunciation feels weak. That is normal. Every beginner feels this. But remember, practice creates confidence. Chapter 3. Think in English. Another problem. People translate in their mind. They think in Urdu, then translate into English. This makes you slow. Instead, think directly in English. Look around you. What do you see? A phone? A chair? A wall? Now say, this is my phone. This is my chair. The wall is white. Simple sentences. Speak them aloud, not in your mind. Out loud. If you are alone, it is perfect. Speak loudly. Confidence grows with sound. Now describe your room. Say, there is a window in my room. There is a bed next to the wall. I have a table near the door. Very good. This is how children learn language. They speak simple sentences. They repeat. They improve. You can do the same. Chapter 4. Daily routine practice. Now we practice daily routine. Listen first, then repeat. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I have breakfast. Then I go to work. Your turn. Pause and repeat. Good. Now say it without looking. Try. Very good. Now change it. Say your real routine. I wake up at... I go to... I eat. Use your life. Personal sentences are powerful. When you speak about your life, your brain remembers better. Chapter 5. Confidence. Training. Many people know English, but they fear mistakes. Let me tell you something important. Mistakes are proof of learning. If you never make mistakes, you never try. Even native speakers make mistakes, so relax. Say this. I am not afraid of mistakes. Again. I am not afraid of mistakes. Very good. Confidence is more important than grammar. If you speak confidently with small mistakes, people understand you. If you speak perfectly but with fear, people feel your hesitation. so speak boldly. Chapter 6. Story Practice. Now we practice with a small story. Listen carefully, then repeat. Ali wanted to improve his English. Every day he watched English videos. He understood everything, but he could not speak. One day he decided to practice speaking aloud. After 3 months, he became confident and fluent. Now repeat. Pause the video. Speak slowly. Very good. Now answer in English. Why could Ali not speak at first? Because he did not practice speaking. Correct. What changed his fluency? Daily speaking practice. Exactly, see? You understand. Now you speak. Chapter 7. Speed training. Fluency is also speed. We will increase speed slowly. Repeat. I can do this. Again, faster. I can do this. Faster. I can do this. Good. Now, I am becoming more confident every day. Slow, normal. Fast, excellent. Speed comes with repetition. Do not rush on the first day. Consistency is key. Chapter 8. 30. Day Challenge. Here is your challenge. For 30 days, speak English for 10 minutes daily. Alone. No excuses. Talk about your day, your goals, your problems, your dreams. Record yourself. Listen again. You will see improvement. After 30 days, your confidence will double. After 90 days, people will notice. After 6 months, you will surprise yourself. Chapter 9. Real conversation practice. Now imagine a conversation. I say, "Hello, how are you?" You say, "I'm fine. How are you?" Good. I say, "What do you do?" You say, "I'm a student," or "I work in an office." Good. I say, "What are your goals?" You say, "My goal is to improve my English and build a better future." Excellent. Practice this daily. Role play helps fluency. Chapter 10. Final motivation. Remember something powerful. You were not born speaking Urdu. You learned it, step by step, word by word. You can learn English the same way, not in one day, but every day. Consistency beats motivation. Small practice beats big plans. Say this loudly. I will speak English confidently. Again, I will speak English confidently. Your mouth is learning. Your brain is adjusting. Your confidence is growing. Trust the process. Outro. If this video helped you, practice it again tomorrow. Fluency comes from repetition, not from watching once. Train your mouth. Train your confidence. Train daily. And one day, English will feel natural. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing, keep speaking, never stop.